going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. If you're new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Now, today, we're going to do up a Cajun shrimp spread. With this spread, you can either put it out chilled for an appetizer with some crackers or some bread, or you can put it on a sandwich and eat it up that way. Stick around, we're going to get right to this. Well, after the nearly 20 minutes of NASCAR season past my house just now, finally things have slowed down and we can get back to the show. On to cooking these shrimp. Go ahead, start off with some butter. Next, we're going to pour in a pound of shrimp. Now we're going to put on some Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. This is his Cajun seasoning. It's got salt, pepper, garlic. Let this cook now for a couple minutes till they're nice and pink. They're almost done. So now we're going to pour on a little lemon juice. Just to put a little acidic tang to these shrimp real quick. And we're done. We're going to go ahead and start pulling these shrimp out of here. We're going to go ahead and let these shrimp cool down in the fridge for... Alright, we're going to go ahead and get started making the spread now since the shrimp are cold. Now, it is later in the day. We just had NASCAR season number 2 going through. Plus, I thought I was in New Orleans for a second because a group of people on some four-wheelers just drove by doing wheelies and donuts all down the highway. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look up some New Orleans news. You'll see that they're stopping traffic on four-wheelers, driving all down the streets and all over the intersections. Doing it on I-10, all over the place. Just look it up, people. It's crazy down there. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started real quick. We're going to start off with a block of cream cheese. Make sure it's softened first. Then, 1 cup of mayonnaise. Go ahead. Try to get that cream cheese mixed up real quick. Before you add in the shrimp or any of the other ingredients. Now, we're going to go ahead, add in the shrimp. We're going to do a splash of some lemon juice. About a half a teaspoon, maybe a little more. Then we're going to add in some green onion, about a tablespoon worth of that, and some white pepper. Season that to taste. I like a lot of white pepper, so we're going to go ahead with that. And that's it, folks. And now we're going to do that taste test. Here we go. Got a nice creamy texture to it. That lemon juice puts a nice little bit of tang to it. Those shrimp come out nice and oh so good. Got a nice Cajun kick to it. So beautiful. Would be great for parties. Great on sandwiches. So good, people. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.